So you're running the command w32tm/resync to manually resync the time on your server, and you hit an error saying no time data is available. You might also see event log entries like NTP client was unable to set a domain peer, or DNS resolution error. This usually means that your system tried to reach a time server but didn't get a proper response. The issue can stem from a few different causes, so let's break down the main scenarios and how to resolve each one. The first scenario is pretty straightforward. Your NTP client can't find the NTP server. Here's what could be happening. Name resolution DNS fails. This could mean there's a problem resolving the server's name, or the server address was misspelled in the system's settings. To fix this issue, first, double-check the NTP server name or IP address in your registry. You'll find it under the key HKEY_local_machine. Then go to System, then CurrentControlSet, then Services, and finally W32time. Look for the Parameters section, where the NTP server value is defined. Make sure you have the correct name or IP address. Next, ensure your DNS is correctly configured. Can your DNS servers resolve the NTP server's address? You might want to use network traces to figure out what's going wrong with the name resolution. The second scenario is that the client can't communicate with the NTP server because UDP port 123 is blocked. This can happen at either your Windows firewall or a non-Microsoft firewall. To resolve this, start by collecting network traces. You can do this by starting a packet capture and running the w32tm/resync/rediscover command again. Check if UDP 123 packets are being sent. If no packets are sent, it's likely that the local firewall is blocking them. You can adjust your Windows firewall settings to allow traffic on UDP port 123. On the other hand, if you see packets going out but not coming back, the issue could be with a non-Microsoft firewall elsewhere in the network. Make sure that UDP port 123 is open on all firewalls between your server and the time source. Lastly, the problem could be with the NTP server itself. If you're syncing with a domain controller, DC, it's possible that the DC isn't properly advertising itself as an NTP server. To troubleshoot this, start by reviewing the Windows time hierarchy. You can use the command w32tm/monitor to quickly check the status of all the domain controllers in your environment. If they're syncing time properly but still aren't advertising as NTP servers, run the command dcdiag/test, advertising on each domain controller to ensure they are visible. Finally, check these registry keys on the domain controllers. For all DCs, navigate to HKE_local_machine, then go to System, then CurrentControlSet, then Services, and finally W32time. Look for time providers and ensure that the NTP server key has enabled =1. For the primary domain controller, PDC, go to the Config section and ensure that Announce Flags is set to 5. For member DCs, set Announce Flags to 10. I hope you found the video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.